Hello guys and welcome back. So why you should buy the DJI mics? Start from the biggest plus for DJI, and obviously is the case. As you can see, it's everything so nice and tight in here with a really nice feeling in the hand. Also, you can charge both mics twice from that case, which work as a power bank, and this is a game changer. Then connect the case with USB-C and you charge both mics because you charge the case, which is a power bank. When you open it, you can see how much battery remains at your mics. That thing is freaking awesome and useful. As you can see in the case, there are also those things so you can connect the mics with your phone if you want to make an easy vlog or want to have a better audio at your videos. Now, here I have an issue because I have the iPhone 14 Pro and sometimes I connect that, but it's not working properly. And I have to connect it and disconnect it a few times until it works. So please, DJI, if you're watching this video, check this out. But once you connect it properly, works really fine, so thumbs up. Now let's talk about the receiver, and the best part of the receiver is you can control everything from there. You wanna mute the mics, you can increase the volume of the mics, you can change from stereo to mono or mono lock, which is the safety track, and that means if you have some really loud noises, it will record them in another track, so you can separate in editing after. Isn't that awesome? Okay, now the mics. They are smaller than others and they are not shining, if you know what I mean. So that makes them easier to hide them and at least not be that much distracting. Now, also here there was an issue because we had that light here that you couldn't turn off, but they did an update and they repair that. So now you can go in the receiver in here and you can turn off that light. Thumbs up for DJI again. Also, the mics are coming with a magnet so you can hide them inside of your clothes, but you have to be careful. Don't touch the mic when you are talking like somebody. Or you can put it from the right side like this. You can connect also a lavalier mic. You can go 250 meters away and you still can hear yourself. I'm not even try that because I don't think that someone wanna talk to the camera from that distance. But if someone wanna do that, he can. The signal is not the best and you should be in open space. Or you can record on the mic by pressing this button, because the DJI make it simple again. You can take the audio just by connect the mic with your computer and simply drag and drop the files, if you know what I mean. So thumbs up again for DJI. You can record up to 5.5 hours based off what DJI is saying, but I don't think you need 5 hours of recording anyway. Now, with the internal 8 GB storage, you can record audio up to 14 hours. I really have only one problem with the DJI mic: the cable. It's really short. For God's sake, DJI, you did all that stuff with the case and all that smart things and you give that cable. Now, how it sounds. I wanna mention that the audio of the video is recorded with the DJI mic that is over here. But I will make a test without the sound presets, so let's go. Okay guys, so now I record without the audio preset. So if you wanna buy those mics, the wireless DJI, I will leave the link in the description. And now I am recording with the audio preset. So if you wanna buy these mics, the DJI mics, you can go down in the description. I will leave the link there. As you can see, the quality is really good, and with all that extra features that DJI have, I suggest you to buy the DJI if you want a good quality wireless mic. I'm really happy and satisfied with that mic. I suggest you with eyes closed, as we say in Greece. That was it about the DJI mic. I think now is everything clear about this mic. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know below at the comments if you want me to make more products reviews. Thank you and see you in the next video. Peace.